Since the outbreak of COVID-19, Kamada has been leveraging its unique human plasma purification technology to develop an immunoglobulin-based therapy against the new coronavirus. We asked Dr. Michal Stein, VP Medical Director Immunology at Kamada, to share more information about this treatment approach.
In December 2019, a new coronavirus, also referred to as COVID-19, which is associated with severe pneumonia, was detected in Wuhan, China. In contrast with most human pathogenic coronaviruses, which typically cause mild symptoms or asymptomatic infection, the new coronavirus infection is characterized by high fever, dry cough, muscle pain, and shortness of breath, with a high frequency of admission to intensive care units and significant mortality. These days, there is a significant global effort to develop treatment solutions for the disease. Plasma is the fluid component of the blood, comprising about 55% of the body's total blood volume. The plasma carries blood cells, nutrients, and proteins throughout the body. It contains mainly water, but also salts and minerals, as well as proteins such as enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Antibodies, also called immune-globulins, are specialized proteins produced by the immune cells found in the plasma. Their main function is to bind to foreign pathogens such as bacteria and viruses and trigger their neutralization and destruction as part of the body's immune response. Plasma from patients who have recovered from COVID-19 is expected to contain specific antibodies against the novel coronavirus and assist in activation of the immune response against the virus. Hyperimmune therapy refers to the administration of antibodies extracted from plasma, which contains an increased concentration of these specific antibodies to an individual. In contrast to active vaccination, where the immune system is encouraged to produce antibodies on its own and develop long-term immune memory over a period of time, hyperimmune therapy provides the antibodies directly, with an effect which is expected to last over several weeks. The main advantage of hyperimmune therapy is the instant protection provided against the pathogen once the antibodies are administered. The concept of hyperimmune therapy has previously shown to be effective in the treatment of severe acute viral infections such as rabies, hepatitis, CMV, and others. Plasma, collected from recovered patients, also known as convalescent plasma, is currently given by transfusions to COVID-19 patients in an attempt to provide antibodies and support their immune system. A specific hyperimmune product would achieve this immune support with several benefits over plasma transfusions. The dosage of a hyperimmune product is consistent and its antibody concentration is significantly higher, therefore smaller volumes are required for treatment. In terms of safety, there are specific viral elimination steps conducted during production in order to eliminate possible transmission of infectious agents which may be present in the plasma. And lastly, storage conditions are much simpler for hyperimmune products since they do not require freezing and generally require less storage space. Many patients who recover from COVID-19 develop neutralizing antibodies against coronavirus, which can be found in their plasma. A hyperimmune product containing a high level of specific antibodies against the virus is expected to assist in the recovery of COVID-19 patients once administered by enhancing the patient's immune response against the virus and preventing further deterioration of the disease. Kamada is in the process of developing a hyperimmune product against coronavirus by leveraging our FDA-approved protein purification technology. Patients who recovered from COVID-19 are encouraged to check if they are eligible to donate plasma, from which the antibodies can be purified and used to treat other patients in need. The process of plasma donation is called plasmapheresis. It is a simple procedure that takes less than an hour and is usually carried out in a dedicated plasma collection facility. During the collection process, the donor's blood is processed in a machine that separates the plasma, containing the antibodies, from the remaining blood components, which are then returned to the donor in a closed-loop system. We're proud to take part in the global efforts to find an effective treatment for COVID-19 and have initiated the development and manufacturing of a hyperimmune product. To speed up the development of the product and strengthen our international reach, we have joined forces with Kedrion Biopharma, a global leader in plasma collection and plasma-derived therapeutics. We hope that this partnership will make our product available in many international markets through various clinical programs as a potential effective treatment for COVID-19 patients.